you can add the new group from here. Group automatically associate with the new group. So I will go to the group form, and here I have option new. So I will click on the new. It will open the group form. Here I will create the new group. The new group name is Z Cloud Admin. Okay, so name Z Cloud Admin. I will just put one here because I might have already created it, and I will create the group email ID. Okay. So now there is a group email associated with the group. So whenever I want to send the notification to these group members, I will just send one email from the system on this email address. It will automatically being distributed to all the member in this group. There could be 5, there could be 10, there could be 50 people. No problem about that. System will process only one email, this one, and it will reach to all the member of that group. So it will really good for the performance related stuff. Okay. Okay, so I create this name, email address, and I will now submit it. Okay, so I'll submit. I'll go back to the previous screen, user screen, right? Remember today morning I told you, if I say some save, it will be there on the same form. If I say submit, it will go back to the previous form. So we have opened the group form from here. We create the record there and we submit. From group form, we have come back to the user form. Now, if you scroll down on the group form, you will see one record. Now this user is automatically associated with this group because you create it from here. Okay. Now, if you want to see that, see this one is created. You should now have Z Cloud admin group here. You can see it here. The advantage of creating the group from within your user form is that the system automatically add the user to the group. He will automatically associated with that group. Now, if you click on this Z Cloud admin link here, it will show you who are the member of this group. I'm sorry. Yeah. Now, if I click here, it will show me who are the member in this group. Can you see this record?
Yep.
Oh, where is that record? Group member.
I see.
Sorry.
Yeah, there. Yep.
Pradeep Shimpi, right? So there is an association created between the group and the user from here. You have not done anything. You simply create the group from the link in the user form and it is there. Okay, the same thing we have shown you here. Now, second part is assign the role to the group. Now you are associating role to the group. So first we'll go to the first. What we will do first, we are going to give the system admin rights to the Z Cloud admin group you just created and associated the admin role. Okay, so we'll go to the role tab. Okay, we'll go to the role tab here and then I'll say edit. Now it will load all the existing group here. Sorry, role here. Now admin is a role. Okay, these roles are created in the system automatically. These are all the roles. Out of box roles are there. Now I will add it here. So what I did, I map this, I have given admin role to the group Z Cloud admin 1. I have given the admin role to this Z Cloud admin 1 role. Okay. Here it is written. It is possible to add the role to the individual user, but it is considered a best practice to add the role to the group so that all the members can be administrator and manage together. This is the best practice. I can also assign the role to the individual user, but that is not recommended. Okay. Now add additional group for later use. So here we'll be creating couple of more groups. Okay, because we will be using this group in the future lab. So there is another group called uh, to add two additional group as a member of Z Cloud admin group. So first is Z Cloud marketing. So let's add the group. So I will again go back to the I will go to the group. I will create new group. What is the name? Z Cloud Marketing. Z Cloud Marketing 1. I am creating it. Just there should not be any confusion because the primary key is this. So if you cannot create the two group with the same name. So if I have already created it, it will not allow me to create that. That is why I'm just putting it here 1. Then the email ID Z Cloud Marketing. Sorry, I think Z Cloud Marketing @ udcloud.com, right? Nothing else, just add it here, submit. Okay, you can add one more group if you want. You are in the group form. Z Cloud Marketing is created. Okay, let's see if there is, what is the name of another group? Z Cloud Product Development. New Z Cloud Product Development. Product Development. Okay, the email address is zcloud Z Cloud Development @cloud.com. Okay, submit. So we have created two additional group. Okay, unique key violation. See, this is the problem. It means that it is already there. That is why
Yep.
it is showing. So if I change it to 1, it will be allowing me to submit. Invalid update, record has been deleted or you no longer have access to read. Okay, let me create it again. Group, new, Z Cloud product development. Product development 1. Okay, Z Cloud product development 1 @.com. Now it should work. See, now it is working, correct? So we have created two group. These are the two groups. Okay, and we have done with this. Associate group and inheritance role to the mark marketing. Now I think we have created this user, right? Uh, uh,
Yeah, I think we have.
Z marketing, I don't remember actually. Create new user. We have created Z Cloud admin, that I know. Name and group email. This is the group. but where we have created the new user, that is I am just looking for, I'm just confirming it.
I
Okay,
see it on slide 26.
26.
Yeah, that's where I see the information about him.
Yeah, I think we
Marketing.
will be creating it now.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, associate group and inheritance role to the Z marketing. So we'll go to the group related list and select edit here again. Add Z cloud marketing from the collection list to the group list and click save button, and notice that system confirmation message. Click role tab. So associate group and inheritance role to Z marketing. I bit confused, like where is this this part is there. We have not done this, yes, as of now. This 20, slide number 20, we didn't do that. We have not done it as of now. Okay, I think we have done this. Two additional groups member. Okay, this one is done, right?
Yeah.
Admin, yes, done. I'm sorry.
Was.
This we have created. We have to add the additional user. This is still there. We have not done this part. Okay. So now we are creating user, add additional user, and this is the detail. So let's add that. So I'll go back, or I can simply go to the users. I will go to the users and I'll say new. So I want to create the new record for Z mark marketing. So user ID is Z mark marketing, Z mark marketing 1. Fine. Mark little bit. Mark last name marketing. Okay, it is a Z mark, not just Z marketing. Title marketing manager. So there is one more field here, title you can give if you want. It is not necessary, but it is not mandatory. And title marketing password is capital P A S S W O R D @123. This is the password which I have given. Email is zmark@cloud zmark@1 @cloudd.com. Okay, this is the only information required. Sorry, I will save this record. Zmark marketing 1, zmark1 @cloudd.com marketing. Title marketing manager, password is capital P A S S W O R D @123, and I will save it. Correct. So here it is saying save the record, do not submit, and notice the primary email confirmation message is there. Primary email device created. This email ID is created. Over there. Now assign associate group and inheritance role to Z marketing. Now if you go to the group related list and select edit, so I'll scroll down group, I'll say edit. Now I want to assign it. What happened? Now here what I want to do, I have already created the group called Z Cloud Marketing, right? Now I'm assigning it to the group list. So if I type it here, Z, where what I want to assign, cloud marketing group. So cloud marketing group, I have both, but I will put it here, say add. So Z cloud marketing 1 is there. Okay, collection list to the group, and I'll just save. So what I did, I associate this user with this group. Correct? Now, if you scroll down, you can see that this is the user record, and this user is member of Z Cloud Marketing One group. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now you are adding one more user here called Z Patty product. So I will again go user, new. The user ID is Z Patty dot product, Z Patty Patty dot PRODUCT1. First name Z Patty, last name PRODUCT, sorry, product. Okay, last name product Z Patty. So Z Patty 1, maybe. Fine, this doesn't make much. Title product development manager. So I can product development manager. Fine. Password is again, as I said, PASSWORD @123, and email is zpatty1 cloud zpatty1 cloudd.com. Fine. So I add it here. All the details. I will save this information again. So I want to save it because I want to be on the same page. Now I will go to the group form and I will can edit it here again. Same thing. Go to edit Z Cloud product development. So edit. I will just search for that record again. This one, add. Correct? Save. So by adding the group here, I'm making this person member of that group. Now if you go and search here, this group, he is the member of Z Cloud product development one group. Clear till this
Mhm.
thing? Now this way you can manage the user, you can manage the group, you can manage, associate the group with the role. Now create the assignment rule. So here the purpose is we want to create the assignment rule which will automatically route the incident to the group when there is some condition met. Now condition can be anything, right? Now here for example, I am creating a rule stating that if there is a word demo which is appearing in the short description field, then it will go to some group, and that group I will specify here. So let's go to the system policy rules assignment. Okay. So if I go here, I'll just click it. I want to go to the system policy rule assignment. So rule assignment. So I want to create the assignment rule. Okay. I want to create the new rule. So I'll click on new button. I'll give some name. You can give some meaningful name here, right? This toggle annotation off means whatever these blue messages are coming. Can you see this messages in the blue that you
Yep.
can turn on or off by using this toggle group? So if I, okay, not there, sorry. Why it is not
I
there?
found it under more options, the 3-dot one.
Sorry.
Yeah.
See, these messages will go away. If I turn it on again, it will come back. So if you
Mm-hmm.
don't want that, make it off. Okay. Now you can create the assignment rule. For example, name you can give anything like Z demo test something, Z demo test rule. Okay. Now applies to what? Incident. So I want to create the assignment rule for incident. So there are many other things: incident, task, problem ticket, change request will also be there, task will also be there. So all these things you can create the rule for anything. Now for simply purpose, we are creating it for incident. Okay. I want to create the rule for incident, and condition is, I can create a condition is, say, short description content. Okay, so where is the content? So I have to move it somewhere. Content word demo. Okay, so this keyword which you are giving here is a case sensitive. Now I have given here a all demo as a small number things, right? Demo. So this is case sensitive. If your short description contains something capital DEMO, it will not work. So what is the solution for that? Any idea?
Uh, if there's an option for contains that isn't case sensitive, that would work. Or there would be, you could also create another or clause that would have it capitalized.
Exactly right. So I will say add condition, or I will say short description content demo. Okay. Or I will say, just a minute, or why it's not coming here, or short description content DEMO, like this. Fine. So you have to create the rule in this way. I don't know why it is being mentioned, means why ServiceNow has created it like this. Maybe some requirement need that case sensitivity. But if you want to really work as a good developer, you should have all these conditions. Give me a minute. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sorry. So as a good developer, you should know if it is case sensitive, how to handle this. So you can create all possible condition here and save that. So I have created this record, incident rule. Okay. And if this condition met, I want to assign it to the Z Cloud Marketing. Okay. So in the assign to, either I can assign to the group or I can assign to the user, but it is better, good practice always say it should assign to the group. So I'm saying Z Cloud Marketing or Z Cloud Marketing 1, whatever you want, you select it, submit it. So this rule gets created, and you can see that rule here. No, not this one. Where is our rule? We just have created. It is name Z demo. What is the name of the rule which we have given right now?
Should be Z demo. Yeah.
Test rule. This one, right? This is the rule which we have just created. 1st November 2021. This you can also see it from here. So this rule is there. Now let's test whether our rule is working correctly or not. So what for that, what we'll do, we'll go to the incident. Create new incident. We'll create one incident. Caller will say sys admin. In short description, we'll say something like this, where the demo word will be there, request an HTTP demo, request for okay. So our rule is saying that short description contain word demo, and that is why this I have given here. Then I will submit this request, and now if you see that assign group is blank, but the moment you save it, it will see here also it is showing that the demo is a case sensitive, so you need to take care of that. I already told you that. Okay, now I'll save this record which you have created. Hit save.
Yep.
See, Z cloud marketing assign group is automatically assigned by the system by using this rule. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it here?
Yep, I can see it.
Yep. So this is what we have done. Modify an existing user record. Okay, that anyway, you can go and just open that record and modify it. And you go to the user record, open the record, change some email address. You can do that. Okay. Uh, okay. So something is some additional thing is there. Let's see what is to be done here. So I will go to the user administration. User administration users. Just open this able tutor record, for example. Able tutor record is there. I'll open this record. Okay. I will modify the uh, email address. It is already modified. Okay, so I didn't change it. So let's keep it as it is. But if you can change, if you change something, you can, for example, if I made something like this, cloud D for able, you can save it. The record is saved. Okay. Now I want, this is the form which based on some table, right? But not necessary that all the column in that table is visible here, right? For example, you have the employee table. So you will have some fields which is displayed to the end user, but there are some fields which are there in the table bit, but it is not show on the form. But now I want to add something to remove something. So what I can do, if I go to the configure form layout from context, form context menu, additional action, the user header information is there. So if I go here, configure and form design, for example, configure form layout, configure form layout. Just a minute. Why it's still loading, I think. Why it is showing? It was very long delay. Now you can add, remove the fields from here, right? For example, you have, now here it is asking you to add the from you you can add the manager field, but I think our manager field is already added in our case. So I can remove it from here, or I can add some more field also if I want. I already added on this form, but these fields are already there on the user form. Okay, I can take it
Mhm.
out. Shall I show you the layout first and then I will come here again?
Sure.
Okay, see this manager field is there. I have added it just now. Maybe in the my earlier lab or something, I have added it. Now I don't want this field. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go here, configure form layout, form layout. It is taking long time. Now I will take this manager field from here and remove it. Okay, I will save this. See that manager field is go away from here. Correct?
Yep.
I will just add it again. Form layout.